I had no idea that this place even actually existed in Bangalore, and lot of surprises were waiting for me inside the waterfall, the glass tunnel. This is Bangalore's aquarium paradise, and look at this beautiful waterfall. Come, let's explore this place together, and I will tell you all the details you need to know. And also, is it worth visiting? Is the ticket price worth it? And there's a beautiful mermaid show as well. So stop scrolling, grab some snacks, and let's begin the video. The video is going to be a 20 minutes long video, so take your time and enjoy. Hello everyone, this is Lakshmi Nandan Kamath and welcome to a new video from Lakshmi Kamath Vlog. How is everybody doing? Happy weekend. This vlog is going to be Bangalore Aquarium vlog. It's an interesting one. I did my makeup. I did some glittery eyes. We made her wear white color shirt, white color pant. Now the real fun begins. दिल ड्रेस रे चित्रमय दिल नवे वही चित्रमय तनी दिल ड्रेस है ड्रेस देखें किस करते हैं आधे घंटे क्लोज के ड्रेस किस तक चला ओके ओके ड्रेस जिराफे की ड्रेस सारी ड्रेस जिराफे सनले इंग्लिश बोले जिराफे जिराफे वाओ. This is my mother's watch. Now she is not allowing anybody to wear it. I put baby girl in car seat. She's observing something outside. Yeah. Hi everyone. Hi. Chicklus, Picklus, Chandapilas. Chandapila. We are going to Aquarium Paradise. That is aquarium in Palace Grounds, near Palace Grounds, it seems. It's a very beautiful aquarium. My cousins recently went there, and my sister told that it's a very good place. We are running late actually, it's almost 5. They went in the morning and spent the entire day there, I believe. I came to Fun World. Fun World is here with Ragmam and his family. Kavyakka and Rakesh will remember. Gitanjali Silks, Lakshman uncle and his family. Ragmam and his family, me, then Gitanjali Silks owners, Lakshman uncle and his children, and all of us. We had stayed here in Bangalore in their relatives' place, and they brought us here to Fun World. I remember we were all kids that time. Great time it was. Fun World. Okay, crash journey mantu satani. Fun World. This is. Na bala. Also, parking charge is hourly 20 rupees for car. Chandas pula chaka ki kushi acha pura. The entrance, the walls itself was very eye-catchy. Lot of beautiful colors. This is Aquarium Paradise. One thing we found out is they are giving this carry bag, okay? They're saying bag, diaper bag, nothing is allowed. You can carry baby's water bottle, milk bottle, and diaper and napkins in this carry bag, in this plastic cover. Nothing apart from that is allowed inside the aquarium. You can carry your mobile phone, and all the other purse and bags have to be deposited in that locker room. Whoa, man, this is so beautiful. I honestly didn't expect it to be this beautiful. Wow. It's good actually. Lot of places to click pictures. I don't know what's the ticket. You can stand here and all and take pictures. You can sit on this. Pirates of Caribbean. These two people. Baby girl and her grandmother. Zip him. Ticket was 600 rupees for adults and 500 rupees for kids. The entrance and ticketing counter everywhere is very colorful, very attractive to kids. So nice. Now we have to take it and climb. जब आप करते हो हमको लेके उठे हम एक वीडियो करते हैं जब वो तकड़े कर पड़े. So we had to carry the stroller over the stairs and we reached this part. The names of fishes is written above and they're all placed in the aquarium. Very beautiful to look at. Everything was looking international level. I honestly didn't expect this in Bangalore. Wow. This is the one. That's the eel. हम तो पढ़े भाई हैं. The video is going to be very interesting because there is a waterfall inside and a glass tunnel with fishes above your head. Don't forget to watch it till the end. They didn't put fish in just an aquarium. They have made beautiful designs inside. Look at this scripture. That is what was more captivating. Like I swear. Like I swear. Finally, आज दिस आइला. So basically, it's not just an aquarium. It's beautifully designed aquarium with lot of greenery here and there. And look at this fish is staring into my soul, I think. The way it is looking at me. Fish. Did you see a fish here? Did you put a fish? I want to. I carry fish up there. It's open above. They have said not to put your hand there. फोटो लेने के चक्कर में फोन उसके अंदर गिर गया तो गया फिर. An alligator fish. Look at it. Looks like an alligator. It's a good place for kids, I guess. He's enjoying. Alligator fish. Bye bye. వీళ్ళతో జిమ్ముసుండు కూడా அவங்க எப்படி ஓடஸ்பட ராட்சசா வச்சு கூட ಸಣ್ಣ ಬೇಬಿ color. I remembered that song. Looking at these, they are small color fishes, very beautiful. आमचं कसं नाही स्पेशल ना त्याका कोणीही ना हांगा हे पुस्तक आहे मग कसं नाही ना पाप या जळक्या गणपितला कसं की गणपितलाची आमची कसं की मुला वचून बसल्यांची दोग जण ओ हंग मुला असायची काही गणपितलाची ते कलर फिश हाकानी बारी गणपितल जण too much demand for those fishes. Poor these guys are all alone here. Baby girl is enjoying. She's saying, and all. Father is showing daughter. See this. Oh yeah, this is stingray, man. Freshwater lake. Gayatri really loved seeing the fishes. She started saying A, E, U, G, G, Ju, and all sorts of voices looking at these fishes. They have made this aquarium in a type of a passage. So you'll have to walk in passages. And each spot is a good spot to click pictures. You can click loads of pictures. And look at these big fishes. Everything is pictures queue. You can click picture every nook and corner. Great for clicking pictures, making reels. Look at this, so beautiful it is. Oh. This is looking like photo. They are not at all moving now. Slowly they started shaking their fins. This is looking so good. It's a big tunnel. You have to walk a lot. They bring stroller. That's the best lighting. ಓ ದೇವರ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಫಿಶ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ಹುಡುಕೋದು ಮಾರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದರೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಒಂದು ಸೈಡಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ನಿಂತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಇದು ಫಿಶ್ ಅಂತ ಸಹ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲಿಲ್ಲ ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾಮೋಫ್ಲೇಜಿಂಗ್ ಸೋ ಮಚ್ ಏರ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನರ್ ಇಸ್ ಸೇವಿಂಗ್ ದ ಡೇ A small fish. Wow, ಎಂತ ಕೈಲು ಬಾಬಾಕ ಎಂತ ಕೈಲುವೆ ಚಂದ ಚಂದ ಸ್ಪುಳ ಲೈಟ್ ರಾಕ್ಷಸಾಲೆ ಸಗळे ಎಲ್ಲವೇ ಮಕ್ಕಳು these small golden fishes and that backdrop was looking so beautiful. Oh my god, this red color fish, so attractive they were looking. And honestly, let me tell you, looking at these fishes gave some relief to my mind. I was feeling very calm, and this one is so dreamy. Oh god, this looks so good. Bright colors, small fishes. So nice to see. I really loved coming here, let me tell you. At this point, बच्चे के नाम पे मेरा entertainment हो रहा है. I am really enjoying this phase. You won't believe what I saw next. Look at this. So colorful octopus world it was. So nice to see. And there's a huge surprise in this aquarium paradise. This is the surprise they have made a waterfall. Looking at this waterfall, I instantly started singing. Divara Asara Suryavara. Lord have mercy. While I am busy taking video, Guruji is showing baby all the water and fish. But it's very beautiful. Oh my god! Shark attack. If the fishes were just put in a water tank, glass tank, there was nothing to see, nothing special to see. But here they have made all these backdrops so beautiful. That's the reason this place is unique. It's not just any other aquarium, it is a beautiful aquarium. Mommy had fishes in it. I was admiring this one only. I didn't notice the fish. This was total surprise. Dinosaur or T-Rex or whatever you call it. I don't know what it is doing in an aquarium, but it's a good place to click pictures. Marathon. Guruji is saying these fishes are running marathon. They are playing musical chair, it seems. If you're watching the video without hitting that like button, don't do that. Hit that like button and don't forget to hit the hype button. You can hype me 3 times. Appa, kaisa sansang mein jal ke dola kadi sanachi. All throughout the aquarium there were guards standing, and they were saying that do not put flashlight on the fishes. Seeing that pirate. Oh wow, look at this, all dragon themed, everything in red. It was looking so good. ನಮಗೆ aquarium ಇತ್ತು sir. Very good, kids will definitely enjoy. Oh, this is jellyfish. Hello? Jellyfish. कन्नड़ी. आईना देखते ही रील चालू. The moment I spotted this mirror, I started clicking videos of myself. What will happen if the glass breaks? Oh, look at this jellyfish. It looks so good. It's trying to climb up. The dim lights are making this look so beautiful. I really loved seeing this. And वो इंतजार की घड़ी finally आ गई, चल के आ गई finally. And this is that surprise which we saw from the top, that aquarium. We can come to the bottom part also. See here. Oh God, it was so heavenly. It felt like right in a movie set. It looked so good, and you can click hundreds of pictures and reels. We loved it, and baby girl loved seeing the waterfall. I made lot of reels here, which you will see soon on Instagram, YouTube, and Facebook. If you're not following me on Instagram and Facebook, please do follow. Lakshmi Kamath is the name. I'll put the Instagram and Facebook handles. According to me, this part of the aquarium is one of the best places there. And next best part is coming soon, the underground tunnel. Oh, the glass tunnel. It's a great place to click a lot of pictures and videos. You'll have a great time. It's a lot to walk. So wear good shoes or comfortable sandals. And for children, don't forget to bring stroller. Also, there is a washroom inside the aquarium and also at the start of the aquarium. This is the fish feeding point. If you are interested to feed the fish, you can pay and buy fish food, and they will give you the fish food and you can put it to these fishes. Looking at these fishes, Gayatri got so fascinated that she wanted to touch them and she was trying to get inside from those barricades and trying to, touch the fish. You can feed the fish, it seems. I was shocked to see this weird looking creature. What is this, dude? This looks so weird, like some Pamaji kind of.
What?
In Malpe Beach in Udupi as well as Delta Point, I had seen starfish, but they were very small. So I didn't expect a starfish to be this big. And first I thought these are all fake until they started moving. So it was nice to see these kind of starfishes. This is the end. Once you go outside, you can't come inside, it seems. Takangara Blanche. If you want, you can go back in the start and come. 1 hour get lamka. 1 hour matra, 6 to 7. 6 ayilale, 7 ajal. And here comes the most awaited tunnel. The tunnel that has water on top as well, glass on top, and you can see fishes all above your head. The waterfall and the tunnel are the most attractive part of this aquarium paradise. Hence, this both the parts are extremely crowded, and also it was nearing closing time around 7:30. People were standing in different corners and trying to click videos and pictures. So if you come in the afternoon time, I'm guessing this place will be very empty. So you can treat it like your personal space and click many videos. Oh, I didn't even bother about it. This aquarium is open throughout the day, so try coming in the afternoon around 2 p.m., 3 p.m. when this place is going to be extremely empty. Also, the ticket prices are cheaper if you book online one day before. So, try doing that. Also, weekdays are cheaper, 100, 200 rupees less. So, on weekends, we paid 600 for an adult, so 1800 for three of us, and for Gayatri, it was free. And here also there is a mermaid painting show where they paint babies as mermaids. There's a costume you can wear with additional cost. It's written here. And we came here, a lot of people were sitting and eating also. Then we saw food court, and then we realized that glass space where water is there it's going to be mermaid show. So the last show is at 8 p.m. and everybody was waiting for that 8 p.m. mermaid show. We were extremely hungry, so we bought this sev puri which was 100 rupees. All charts were 100 rupees, and also we bought a pizza which was about 170 rupees. If you come at early, you can get to sit in the front row. We came late, so we had to sit in the last row. But the mermaid show was very good. They are performing this mermaid show in the same glass tunnel which we saw and came. So it was very fascinating to see. I really loved it. Something totally different experience. But by this time, Gayatri was already cranky and irritated. She started screaming and wasn't happy at all. Looking at all this, I feel 400 rupees ticket is justifiable. 600 is a little too much. 600 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಯಿತು. 400 rupees would have been good. These mermaids are extremely talented. Look at them. We went to have dinner in Sattvam Hotel in Sadashiv Nagar. The video already got too long. Let's end this vlog here. I hope you enjoyed watching. If yes, please hit that like button. If you're new, please do subscribe. And don't forget to hit that hype button. You can hype the video 3 times. And leave a sweet comment in the comment section. Let me know, how did you like Aquarium Paradise? Have you been there before? Will you go there? The aquarium's look and feel is international level. What do you think? Let me know in the comments, and I'll see you soon in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye. Jai Shri Krishna.